We are seriously talking about making as much as $100 in 24 hours, even less, just watching videos. You don't have to do a bunch of stuff or record videos, and it really isn't complicated at all. To do this, all you have to do is go to Hey everyone, it's Graham here and welcome back. On this channel, I help break down various areas of an online business, provide money-making tips, and put them into bite-sized chunks to assist in your path to online success. If you are new to my channel and you like watching content around making money and growing businesses online, then please take some time to like the video, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any videos I release in the future. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can make $100 in 24 hours or less, literally just by watching videos. Stick around to the end of this video for some awesome tips so that you can get the most out of this strategy and make the most amount of money. So you're probably thinking to yourself, how on earth can you make money online by watching videos? It does sound pretty awesome, and you can be making money doing exactly what you're doing at this very moment, which is watching videos. This strategy is not complicated, but if you think that you can sit and do nothing and make some money, then this strategy is not going to work for you and you're not going to enjoy it at all. It's a two-way street where someone needs to pay you for you to do something in return. And if they don't benefit, then you don't benefit. So in order to make some money while watching videos, let's get into the detail. All the websites mentioned in this video you can find in the description box below. What you need to do first is register at a site called featuredpoints.com. You can either register at their website or go to the app store of your choice, being the Apple Store or the Google Store, and get the app itself. Either way, it's easy enough to register. This app really works and is not a scam, and to prove that, they've paid over $5.9 million to people like yourself watching videos and doing other tasks. As you can see in the App Store, they've got over 116,000 ratings and they're roughly a 4-star rating. Looking at the pictures here, it says here, earn cash for playing free games, completing surveys, and shopping online. That's just some of the ways. You can now scratch and win instant prizes. You can play free games and earn real cash. You can redeem your points for Amazon, PayPal, Google Play, prepaid Visa, and more. You can share your referral code with friends and earn 50% of whatever they earn. You can earn up to 40% cash back at hundreds of stores. And they show a few here: Walmart, Nike, Microsoft, Adidas. So there's some big brands here. And the last thing saying that you can also earn from your computer, so you just go to their website and do it via there as well. In looking at the detail, they say here we've paid out over $5.9 million since 2012. So they've been around a while and they've paid out a good chunk of money. So in order to get your Featured Points account, head over to their website and fill out the details on their registration page and click continue, or you can do it via your app, whether it's an Apple device or an Android device. As said earlier, there are a number of different ways that you can earn money using Feature Points. In fact, there are 7 different ways that I could identify. Some of them are not the best use of your time, but here they are anyway. So the 7 ways are downloading free apps through their platform, trying them for a few minutes, and then you can either delete them or keep them. You can watch videos, which is what we're going to focus on in this video. You can take surveys. You can shop online. You can refer new users. You can take part in contests, and you can participate in other offers. In this video, we're going to be focusing on the video section of Feature Points. So every video and ad that you watch, you then accumulate points. And with these points, you can then redeem them later via Amazon, PayPal, or other methods. One really cool feature is you can cash out your points into Bitcoin. So if you live in a country that doesn't accept PayPal, or you prefer cryptocurrency, then this is a fantastic option for you. One other super cool thing that you can do with Feature Points is you can refer other people, friends, and family through to Feature Points. And if they start earning money on their account, then you earn up to 50% of whatever they earn. So try and refer as many people to Feature Points so that you can make the most out of whatever they earn as well. And I'm sure it can add up pretty quickly. To get the most out of this strategy, what you'll need to do is combine your effort with these types of apps. So increase your potential to earn more by registering with this service, as well as the numerous other apps and services out there. More services means more tasks, and that translates into more money for you. Even utilize multiple devices and go as far as getting a team of people together to take advantage of this. The reason why you want to do this is because you're not going to be finding one app or service that will allow you to generate enough money to replace a job. At the end of the day, you don't want to be doing these strategies forever. These are for ways for you to generate some money and use that money to roll into other ventures. Reinvest that money into other side hustles that you can scale and grow at a much faster rate. Which ultimately means instead of you exchanging your time for money, these scalable side hustles such as e-commerce, digital marketing, and other avenues that you choose will at the end of the day give you more money and utilize less of your time. This is a way for you to reinvest what you've earned into yourself and your education and growing a high income skill that you can then scale that forward. As all of you know who are trying to make money online or even trying to start any business for that matter, as an entrepreneur, you know that you've always got more time than money. Unless of course you're a trust fund baby, in which case this doesn't apply to you. But if you stick with it and keep going, eventually you'll be like other successful entrepreneurs who have more money at their disposal as well as more time. Because at that point, you can then outsource all your activities and get a team together that can basically run your entire business. In saying that, let's take a look at some of the other apps that you can then register for and grow your money as fast as possible. One of the other options that you have is called App Trailers. It currently has over 42,500 ratings and is sitting at higher than a 4 rating overall. In scrolling down, you'll see a couple of images of what the interface of the app looks like. In the description, it says what you can do. So you can preview video trailers of apps, celebrity gossip, DIY videos, and get points and redeem those points. You can then redeem those points for PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, etc. And as can be seen over here, it's sitting at a 4.1 rating overall. Another option for you is called App Nana. As shown in these pictures, it gives you the best free gift card rewards, try free apps and get free gift cards, watch videos and get free gift cards, play games and get free gift cards, and invite friends and get free gift cards. In scrolling down, you'll see in the description here it says members earned over 10 million in games and gift card credits. So what you do is you download free apps from Nana offers and earn nanas. Nanas are effectively your points on this app. You receive these points and you can redeem these points for gift cards. You'll get 400 daily points just by coming back to the app on a daily basis. When you refer people, friends and family, you'll get more points for this. And the more points that you generate, the more money that you can earn from this app. You can see here that it's got a 4.2 overall rating with over 567,000 votes. The last but not least is probably one of the favorites that I've seen so far is called TV2. You watch and earn rewards and you get paid in cryptocurrency. So as shown in the pictures here, you discover, you watch and you earn. And in order to redeem what you've earned, you can pay it across into your cryptocurrency wallets. You can see that they've got a 4.7 overall review with over 207,000 votes. So based on that rating, it looks like a great app to use. When going to their website, it says entertainment ecosystem on the blockchain. And if you scroll through the website, here's a picture of the interface of the app showing you what it will give. In scrolling down, it also has mentions from Entrepreneur, Forbes, and so forth. And it shows you here, watch videos, earn crypto, boost earnings. And you can boost earnings by completing other tasks. There you have it, ladies and gents. If you're looking for a cool way to make some money or cryptocurrency while watching videos, then go and give these apps a try. For further tips, tricks, and strategies, check out these videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. If you did, please hit that like button. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any content I release in the future. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a lovely day, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.